Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal and the topic is Numbers MCQ Part 20. Problem number 96. 6897 is divisible by. So here we need to check divisibility by 11 and divisibility by 19. So the rule for divisibility by 11 is, the divisibility rule by 11 is sum of odd numbers minus sum of even numbers. The difference should be either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. So 6897, if you are checking in the sense, so sum of odd numbers is 6 plus 9. That is 15. And sum of even numbers is 8 plus 7. So that is also 15. And if you are checking the difference between the sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers, its difference is 0. So this given number is divisible by 11. Next, we need to check divisibility by 19. So there is no specific rule for divisibility by 19. We need to check directly only. So 6897 divided by 19. So we will get it as 363. Yes, it is divisible by 19. So the answer is option C. 6897 is divisible by both 11 and 19. Next, problem number 97. Which of the following number is exactly divisible by all prime numbers between 1 and 17? So these four options, we need to check whether it is divisible by all prime numbers between 1 and 17. So the prime numbers between 1 and 17 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. So these are all the prime numbers between 1 and 17. Now we need to check these four options whether it is divisible by all prime numbers. So option A, if you are considering, it is 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And if you are checking here, its unit digit is 5. So obviously it is not divisible by 2. So if the unit digit is even number or it should be 0, then only it is divisible by 2. So this given number is not divisible by 2. So option A is not correct. Next we will check option B, that is 440440. And here if you are considering, this number is not divisible by 3. And option C, if you are checking, 510510. And this number, if you are considering, since its unit digit is 0, it is divisible by 2 and 5. And if you are checking its sum, that is 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0. So its sum, if you are considering, sum is 12. So it is divisible by 3. Next, we need to check divisibility by 7. And 510510 divided by 7, you will get it as 72930. So it is divisible by 7. And next, divisibility by 11. That is sum of odd numbers minus sum of even numbers. The difference should be either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. So sum of odd numbers is 5 plus 0 plus 1. So you will get it as 6. And sum of even numbers is 1 plus 0 plus, 1 plus 5 plus 0. So you will get it as 6. And difference, if you are checking, that is 0. So it is divisible by 11. And divisibility by 13 and 17, we need to check directly only. So divisibility by 13, that is 510510 divided by 13 in the sense, you will get 39270. Yes, it is divisible by 13. And divisibility rule for 17, if you are checking, that is 510510 divided by 17, you will get answer as 30030. Yes, it is also divisible by 17. So the option C is divisible by all prime numbers between 1 and 17. And option D, if you are checking, since its unit digit is 3, it is not divisible by 2. So the correct answer is option C, 510, 510. Next, problem number 98. 325 is a 6-digit number. It is divisible by, we need to check divisibility by 7, 11 and 13. So the given number is 325, 325. And if we are checking divisibility by 7, we will get it as, so 46475. So it is divisible by 7. And divisibility by 11, if you are checking, sum of odd numbers minus sum of even numbers, the difference should be either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. So sum of odd numbers, if you are checking in the sense, 3 plus 5 plus 2, and it is 10. And sum of even numbers, if you are checking, 2 plus 3 plus 5. So it is also 10, and its difference we will get it as 0. So it is divisible by 11. And next we need to check divisibility by 13. So 325 divided by 13, if you are checking in the sense, you will get it as 25025. Yes, it is also divisible by 13. So the given number is divisible by all. That is 7, 11 and 13. Next, problem number 99. So the number is 311, 311, 311. That is, it is repeated 7 times. And we need to check divisibility by 3 and 11 here. So divisibility by 3, if we are checking in the sense, sum of the digits should be divided by 3. So sum of the digits, if you are considering, it is 35 divided by 3. No, it is not divisible by 3. Next, we need to check divisibility by 11. That is, sum of odd numbers minus sum of even numbers. The difference should be either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. Sum of odd numbers, if you are checking in the sense, that is 19. So sum of odd numbers, if you are checking, 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So if you are checking the sum in the sense, it is 19. And sum of even numbers, if you are checking, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 3. If you are checking its sum, that is 16. And its difference, if you are considering, the difference is 3. So it is also not divisible by 11. So the answer is option D, neither divisible by 3 nor divisible by 11. Next, problem number 100. There is one number which is formed by writing one digit 6 times. For example, 6 ones or 6 fours, 6 fives, likewise any number that is a one number, we need to repeat 6 times. So that number we have to check. Such a number is always divisible by option A 7 only, B 11 only, 13 only. So we need to check that particular number is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. So divisibility by 7 if you are considering. So we will take the number 6 ones only. And if you are checking its divisibility by 7, we will get it as 15873. It is divisible by 7. And divisibility by 11, if you are checking, sum of odd numbers minus sum of even numbers, the difference should be 0. Obviously, we will get it. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. And here also it is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So obviously, that difference we will get it as 0. So it is divisible by 11. Divisibility rule by 13. We need to divide directly only. So if you are considering here 6 ones divided by 13, we will get it as 8547. That is 8547. So it is divisible by 13. So any number, any single digit that is formed 6 times in the sense, that particular number is divisible by 7 also, 11 also, 13 also. So answer is option D, all of these. Thank you for watching this video.